Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on Motorola G15. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and now search up Dolby and install the app. Okay. Now once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Let's skip this part for now, and I don't want to log in for now. Here we can either start the audio recording or a video recording. We just started audio recording for now, so let's go ahead, run access and start the recording. And I'm gonna also finish it very quickly just to show you how this app works. So tap on got it, and now in the bottom left corner we will be able to find our gallery there. So right here is our gallery, and right there is our recording that we have just made, that I have just made. And if this icon at the right corner is colorful, it means that the audio is being played with effects of Dolby On app. But if you press on this icon and on this switch and this icon turns gray, it means the audio is going to be played raw, so we can hear the difference. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.